It was all shade of art and culture, from our food, drinks, music, clothes, jewelries, decor, etc. They said culture is life. Yes, culture is life. Because yesterday it was 100. Hi guys, it's your girl Jennifer. Art Native did his New Yam festival, and trust me for taking you along. I left no stone untouched. Anyways, guys, here is the picture stand. When you come, either you choose the traditional background or you choose this particular background written boldly New Yam Festival. And let's go inside. Let me show you the food vendors, the things they have for us. And this place is their entrance. And see me feeling myself now. Trust me, I came prepared with my raffle bag, my and I came colorful, and of course my bracelet is Cora. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Anyways, guys, let me take you to the vendors. Let's see their goodies, guys. The interior is so beautiful. It's very simple but beautiful. And guys, look at the yam they use as decoration. And this is of course our keg of drinks, and other vendors came, to sell out, to give us a lot of beautiful food. And here is jewelries. Of course, jewelries was not left out, and beautiful, beautiful African wares. Art Native is a restaurant. They did on native meals, mainly for the Igbos. You're going to be seeing foods like oba, abacha, okwa, okwa, fresh palm wine. Like when I mean fresh palm wine, not these ones that you buy on the road with saccharin. No, the likes of roasted yam, roasted chicken, anything you want from the Igbo tribe. When it comes to their meal, you're going to see it. They also sell things like there's also sell things like swallow, different types of soup. When it comes to soup, like other tribes as well can eat it. But when it comes to this, their abacha, oba, and many more is mainly for the Igbos. They're going to be the abacha is so sweet and very, very affordable. I ate it on this particular day. So guys, here is their fish stand. Here is their roasted yam. Of course, trust them, they came prepared. Their fish is so sweet. Their bole sauce is just top notch for me. Guests are arriving. It was all shade of cultures, a lot of music, different types of dance groups, masquerades, and many more. Do you know the sweetest thing? This particular event was till 12 in the night. And here is the wife of the CEO and her dance group. They came to present kola, iwa orji, for them, for the elders to bless it before other guests consume it. You know that presenting of kola in Igbo land is very, very important to your guests, before any other thing. So here is the CEO and his wife. They present the kola to the elders, for them to bless it. And here is me and my sister consuming our own garden egg. And here is my sister, our abacha have arrived at this point. See, if you test this abacha, you see for Botako, we eat any other abacha. See, if I visit their restaurant, I eat nothing else than abacha. And this palm wine is just natural palm wine, no additive, and it's cold. Thank God they had to put it in the fridge before they serve it to the guests, anyways. And here is me enjoying the music, vibing to the music, enjoying myself, because why not? Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do well, support me by hitting the like button.